Today we will be testing Naleen's entry indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Naleen's entry indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 616 indicators, with 251 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators in the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is Naleen's entry indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. So what we are looking for are these moments where we get these spikes, either green or red. And so obviously when we get a spike green, a spike to the upside in green, we are going to go long. When we get a spike in red to the downside, then we are going to go short. And so as well as that, anytime we get a rebound where it goes flatlined and then spikes back in the same direction, that will be also another valid entry. And so that's what we're looking at. That's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal right here. Unfortunately, it just barely misses our take profit before we then get this heavy push to the upside, which stops us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, then the next signal that we pick up is a long signal right here. You can see that we get that entry right there, and then a nice push to the upside, which gets us to our take profit. And then moving forward a little bit, we get another spike to the upside there, a green spike, and another really nice push to the upside, which once again gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, then we pick up a long signal right here. This one is unfortunately going to get stopped out as it comes down and just barely hits our stop right here. We then get a push to the upside right here, which gets us our next entry, and a nice push and continuation there, which does come up and hit our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so that will meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Excuse me, all in all, did rather well, not too bad. 15 trades in 1 year's time, that's relatively okay. 20 better, 20, between 20 and 30 definitely would be a lot better, but 15, we'll take it, and it did so rather accurately. Filter out a few of these trades, maybe in the consolidation areas, and it would have definitely bumped up the win rate on this quite significantly. And so like I said, all in all, a pretty good foundation. So yeah, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.